If you clicked on this video, I assume you are someone who understands the value of building self-discipline. But what you probably don't know is that you are already 100% disciplined. You are 100% disciplined to your current identity, habits, and beliefs. And this was the big problem that I was facing because of my old conditioning was preventing me from making real progress to my goals and ambitions. And over the years, I dabbled with so many methods and techniques in self-improvement, but nothing truly lasted. I followed all the popular advice, I did everything that I could, but nothing truly lasted. Until I understood the fundamental principles of self-discipline that I'm going to share in this video today. Hi, my name is Hamzah Salim and I help ambitious people live their life day one through self-mastery. Now the first principle that we gotta understand in terms of building discipline is that we are 100% disciplined. Now I know this is a very contrarian take, but I'm gonna explain it in a very simplistic way. We humans are creatures of habit. About 95% of our thinking patterns, behavioral patterns, and actions are habitual. That's why change is so hard for most people, because they don't know how to do it. And the truth is, we are a slave to our current conditioning. That's why when I say you are 100% disciplined, the same applies also to me. I am 100% disciplined to my current conditioning. But the problem is that most conditioning is not optimal. People want to go from A to B, but their current conditioning is preventing them. And then they think they have a discipline problem. They go out for the fancy tactics and gimmicks that people say builds discipline. For example, let's take a person who plays video games his whole life. He always loved to play video games. But one day he decided to take his life more serious and use his potential and take his career more seriously. Now he's thinking about making more impact, more money. He wants to build a career that is more fulfilling. And then he sets out on this journey to becoming the next level of himself. But when it comes time to taking action, he's on his desk. He knows actually what he wants to do. He knows which actions will leave him there. He procrastinates and struggles to focus, and then he reverts back to his video games because this is his conditioning. That's why the most powerful way to build self-discipline is the second principle, and that is you have to change your identity. Because most people, they look online for tactics and advice on how to build self-discipline. Some say take cold showers, and all those things work, because what I found in my personal journey is that you can't become truly disciplined without identity change. I tried the popular self-help advice, the tactics and the methods, but they were only working temporarily. Because what I was missing is that identity. I had to see myself as someone who's disciplined to working on his goals, not disciplined to his video games or other distractions. I had to raise the bar in myself so that discipline is a hygiene standard. And once you see yourself as this person that actually does the thing that he says, the other methods and tactics will be much more effective and long-lasting because you have the fundamental understanding. So let me tell you this, people that have very high discipline on their goals and ambitions have fundamentally different standards. By the way, if you find this video valuable so far, let me know in the comment section below what your biggest takeaway is. I love reading through your comments. Now, the third principle on building incredible self-discipline is affirm through action. First, you understand what discipline means and how it works. Then you change your identity. And the third step is to take action. Discipline is like a muscle. You have to exhaust it. You have to train it. And the more you train, the stronger this muscle gets. And the most powerful way in that step is to stay in the pain. When you are working on your desk, you know you have to do it and you will be tempted. That's absolutely normal. You will be tempted to click off or do something else, and then you become truly unstoppable in realizing your goals, and it will be only a matter of time. Now at this point of this video, I've given you some powerful principles that I've used to become more disciplined and achieve my goals. The problem is discipline is only one half of the equation. Discipline and focus go hand in hand, and that's why I created this complimentary video that goes in depth about how you can build focus and stay laser focused on your goals so that you can achieve your goals faster and easier before. Thank you for watching, and I see you in the next video.